Have you seen factories doing it like a big industry where you make a chick from an egg and raise it into a big chicken and collect the eggs from it and sell it? Let's start with the egg itself. Hatching chicks sounds simple, but doing it on a large scale is a painstaking process. Eggs that are likely to become chicks are scanned and identified with the help of a computer, and only the good ones are released to the next stage. Damaged eggs will be destroyed and thrown away. Now all the eggs are arranged so that the elongated part comes down and taken to the trucks. A vaccination will be given inside the eggs to ensure that the resulting chicks are healthy and disease-free. This process is known as in ovo vaccination. The food and water required for the chicks to eat will be set at the bottom of the tray where the eggs are sitting. Then they are kept at the correct temperature for 21 days. When the egg hatches, it drops to the bottom tray and slowly eats. Now just remove the top tray. There will also be a quality check to ensure that all the chicks are healthy. The chicks thus counted are placed in buckets and sent to the poultry farms. In farms where chicks are raised for eggs, they are arranged in tiers and fed and watered to raise them. The eggs they lay from each nest roll down and are collected on a conveyor belt in front. The eggs are moved very slowly from this conveyor to a platform with a side when they are few in number. Eggs are picked up from another belt platform that rotates from the bottom to the top and deposited onto a large conveyor belt. This way the eggs of all the chickens in the farm can be collected from the same conveyor belt. These are released from the farm to the warehouse where they are packed. There, these eggs are packed into trays and shipped to various locations as required. These eggs can now be processed in many ways. First of all, you can see that the egg white and yolk are separated. It first involves bringing eggs from the farm forward on a conveyor belt. These will be scanned and the bad eggs will be removed. The good eggs are taken away and arranged into an egg cracking machine. Inside it, the eggs are pressed and cracked, and the contents of the eggs are deposited downwards. It moves to the vessels below. The yolk and white of the egg are separated using a small slit on the side. Thus the egg white and yolk are collected in two separate containers. It can be packaged and supplied for various purposes. If you don't want to separate the yolks from the whites, you can use another big machine. The eggs are moved forward by a conveyor belt, cracked in the middle and the contents deposited downwards. All these can be mixed through a funnel into large containers. After cracking the eggshells are moved forward through the belt itself and other processes are carried out. There is also a machine that boils the eggs and puts them in packets and sends them to the shops. For this, the eggs are first boiled in hot water for a sufficient time. From there, they are deposited into the cold water through a conveyor belt. This is a machine used to break the shell, where the eggs are fed underwater again via a conveyor belt into a machine. Inside, the eggs are separated from the shell by hitting with iron wire and rolling with rollers. So the hard-boiled eggs are packed and sent to the shops. How was the industrial production of eggs? If you like the video, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.